Good morning students of class 9. Today I am going to start a new lesson which is related from the history section. Lesson number 2, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Dear students, you have already studied about the marvelous revolution, famous revolution, French Revolution before to it. It is also an important revolution which was occurred after the French Revolution. French Revolution took place in 1789. Dear students, I am going to give an overview about this lesson, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Dear students, the French Revolution, which took place in 1789 in France, opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. You know very well that French society was divided into 3 states. Okay? But socialism movement, a social movement, was an important event. Social movement important event of 19th century. It was the important event of the 19th century which gave precious contribution into the creation of the background of contemporary history. This movement, social movement, the socialism movement, was started with the rise of industrial revolution. Industrial revolution. When did the industrial revolution was started in Europe? Industrial revolution was started in Europe near about the 1716. 1716, it means in 18th century. Not only in Europe, but it covered US also. The industrial revolution, this industrial revolution divided the European society into 2 groups. European society into 2 groups. Number 1, capitalist, and next वर्किंग क्लास, पूंजीपति वर्ग, मजदूर वर्ग. ओके? They had opposite interest. Capitalist were the master of industry and always tried to exploit the working class. So the condition of working class became very miserable. Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. These are two famous philosophers, thinkers. Added other ideas to this body of argument. At last, in 1917, the Russian Revolution took place, happened, and it is said that Russian Revolution was the next step of the French Revolution and completed the rest task of the French Revolution. So dear students, we will look briefly at some of the important political traditions of the 19th century in this chapter and see how they influenced changes. Then we will focus on historical event in which there was an attempt at a radical transformation of society through the revolution in Russia. Socialism became one of the most significant and powerful ideas to shape society in the 20th century. We shall discuss tomorrow about these topics in one by one in this chapter. Okay, thank you.